electricity meter. In this one then, what we're going to be looking at is another coin operated prepayment meter. For now then, what we're going to be looking at is the Ferranti FPQ-102. This instrument, as you can see by the sheer size of that coin box, it is a double level coin box. For now though, we're going to be concentrating on the electricity meter itself, which is right there. And that coin mechanism on that is the original one which came with it. That coin mechanism is set up for the pre-1997 50p coin. And as you can see, due to the size of the coin, the handle on that centre shaft has had to be set off centre so that the coin slot can be milled right into that centre section, right into the centre of the axis. Okay, that whole part does turn. I will rotate it. There we go, you can see that rotates. Okay, so that whole part rotates. It's just that the coin that goes in there is that wide that they've had to mill that section right back into the handle and offset the handle over to the right a bit like that. Original coin mechanism that, even though this says that it is a Smith type, it is actually Ferranti. I will just lower that camera down a bit. Sorry about it being wobbly and all that lot, but that's the tripod for you. Okay, so there we go. It is Ferranti. And it says on it, even though it does say Smith type, it is actually Ferranti. So it's the FPQ-102 then. The characteristics for this one. It's 240 volts, 50 Hz alternation frequency, single phase, 2 wire. Loading capacity is 20 to 60 amps. And as with like a lot of Ferranti instruments, the load wheel characteristic is 225 revolutions per kWh. This instrument, I've never used it. It was just purchased to go in the collection. The interesting thing is with this one, it was purchased on a classified newspaper advertisement back in the mid-1990s. So I had no idea what it looked like. I didn't even know the make and model. It was just advertised as a 50p meter. Okay. I'd like to say thanks for tuning in to watch this one. A little bit later on, there's going to be more electricity meter videos coming up. Okay. Just as a little end teaser. That instrument that you see there, it is overdue for another accuracy test. So we will be seeing that in another video on another day. I shall insert a coin into that, crank it up, okay, and we shall do a 0.1 kWh accuracy test on it. And in that video you will obviously see a little bit of load wheel action, which will be most wonderful. Okay, so I'd like to say thanks for tuning in to watch this one. Do stay tuned because, like I've said, in another video on another day, there will be a reappearance of that instrument and we shall be giving it an accuracy test. For now, thanks for watching.